Welcome to the quick start for mapping using MicroStation Connect Edition. We're going to take a look at how we can do our final printout. So the final step in most projects, of course, is to create the required documentation. In this case, we're going to go ahead and create a PDF file using MicroStation's print utility. All we need to do here really is really simple. We're just simply going to go up to the File tab, and from here we're going to select Print. We're then going to choose to print a single file. And we want to be able to use our GeoPDF here. So we could switch out to a different PDF if we wanted to, driver, but we're going to go ahead and stick with our GeoPDF configuration. You'll notice that because we're using a sheet model, it automatically picks up the correct paper size, area, view, and the scale and everything else. We're also going to make sure that our rasterize function is checked so that we can see our transparencies. Once we're ready, we can just go ahead and click on print, and this will send a print out to our desktop if we want to. And because we're doing the rasterization function, it's going to tile out this sheet into multiple images and then stitch all of those images together. So this is the raster image processing function. It just takes a few more seconds than it would if you just did it without the rasterize function turned on. So once the rasterization process is completed, the PDF will be generated, and we can go take a look at that PDF on our desktop. And here's the PDF, and you can see that it did all of the transparency things that we wanted it to do. We can see our final map here. And we'll find that there's a lot of interesting features that this PDF has. You can see that if I want to, I can turn on latitude and longitude. I can bring this information in by editing my PDF driver if I had that available. And that's something you can simply do directly from MicroStation. Finally, you can also bring this information directly back into MicroStation if you wanted to. So if I went back to my map master and I wanted to bring in this information and locate it, I could simply go up to the Home tab, go up to the Attach Tools. Here's my Raster Manager, and I could attach a PDF. So that's one of the formats that are available to me to attach. So there's my PDF. There you can see I can bring it in, scale it up, do whatever I want to.